Hey guys, it's me Paradox, and today I'm playing Roblox, and this is actually going to be one of my new videos because it came out today. So, yay! And also, I know I haven't been posting a lot. I'm just trying to fix some stuff on my OBS. So, yeah, that will do something different. Hopefully, because I'm going to just be trying to post videos. I get very emotional when I'm saying this, but give me a second. I get very emotional when I have to post a video, and it sucks. Okay, it really sucks. Oh, sucks to be me. That sounds like a personal problem. But all you people that subscribe to me, you should be happy that I'm posting a new video. But I doubt it because you guys probably subscribed to other people, and that are probably better than me by a long shot. Why is this thing forever to load? Oh, that's why. Let me refresh my page. Refresh! Is there anybody playing this game? Yeah, there is. Cool. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta sneeze. Got you. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to say het you. Ooh, that's nice. Yay! It's twerking. I mean walking. Cut it off. You guys want to hear my impression of a car? Honk honk, I'm a car. Get out of my way. Number 4, ready? I'm just gonna play a citizen. Ready? Watch. Turning on the car. Motor starting. Car moving. Is this my friend? Friend? That's not you. Oh yeah. Speaking of please subscribe and like to my friend's channel. His name is he plays Fortnite. So if you like Fortnite and you really like Fortnite, and you really like to play, I can't talk. Oh, found him. And you really like good gaming. What the heck? Bow down to my will. I'm Jesus. I crashed in a car midair and I sent him. You sent me where? To the moon, legit. Nope. I crashed a car midair and sent him out of the map. Yeah, you did. Wow, people are so mad. Nero, cool YouTuber. Yes, white girl! Was that you? Tristan0303. Nero, go to the bridge! Now! Oh. He's not talking to me, but I know I'm talking to him. Yeah, that made no sense. Where are you? Billy? 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 No! Where are you? Please! I hear a Tesla. I'm gonna... Wait! Let me in. Let me in. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Okay, you can leave now. Go. Mush. Mush. Alright. 1,000 miles per hour? Yeah, no. I don't believe that. Not even my oh God. Anyways, not even my Riano can go fast like that. Speaking of Riano, here we go. Also porks. Whenever my Riano has my insanity on, it still doesn't go that fast. Get out of here, bro. What do you think this is? I'm stuck. I have no torso. Hey. I have no torso. Hey. No torso. Yeah. Can I just get into my car, please? Please? What's the matter with this game? This game has major bugs. Developers, please fix this game. I have a UVL. Wow, he hit my non-motion car. My non-motion car. Oh, wow. They just took my non-motion car. Watch this. Reel it back. They took my non-motion car. Where is it? Where is it? Hello? There it is. There you are. That's... God. This game has major issues. Come on, let me get into my car. My car. Move it. This game has issues. Finally. It's loaded in. What the heck happened to my car? Come on, load up. There we go. Whoa. Wanna try meh? What do you mean meh? Now we're moving. God. God, come on, please. Ah. I'm slow. No, you're not. Yeah, no, you're not. Don't even try it. Oh, okay. See, look. Everyone knows this. We already know that you're not slow, bro. Is this kid speed hacking? No, bro, you're speed hacking. That's why. Did you see the beginning? How he was like not even fully freaking formed decided there. Watch. This kid's speed hacking. You saw it right here with me. He's speed hacking. No Ford Crown Victoria should go that fast. Crap. Can I land it? Yes, I can. When you ask someone to get inside, when you tell someone to get inside your car, they be like, "No." Where did my friend go? Legit disappeared. Is this kid following me? Legit, this kid right here. Oh, just said so. Oh, okay. I was legit just said this over Murder Mystery with this kid, and I found him. So, this car is supposedly fast. Let's see how fast it can really go. Wrong side. This car is not supposed to have fast. This car is not supposed to have its fast speed already. Don't try me! Okay, I won't. Oh! I legit turned into a pretzel. Get up, get up, get up. I'm breathing on you. Whoa, you just sent that guy flying. Bye-bye. Me, I like not colored cars. That's racist. Okay, you do not want to mess with my discount. You do not want to mess with my discount. Don't mess with my discount. Don't mess with my discount. Oh, I didn't see that though, because I'm mentally blind. And also, kids broke my glasses at school. Whee! I'm breaking the barrier of sound. It hurts my ears over the map. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, humanity. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Bye! I gotta go to the bathroom. When I'm done with this video, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. Because bathroom. Look at this bot right here. Look at this bot. I just got tons of Robux using RBLX.G. Hey, look, that bot just left. Lily Unicorn 617765. What drug are you using? Like, what the heck? Yeah, well, I'm leaving this game because this game has major issues. Just like me. Nice. Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom. If I have to pick, is this JNG? If I have to pick one, I'll pick all of them. They're all good. Destroy the mad brutes. Play now. No, you can't make me do whatever. You can't make me do stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video right there. So.